Folks, now welcome back. Today we're going to do a quick overview video and just the highlights here with this VIOFO A119 V3. This is a quad HD dash camera, and I'll tell you right off the bat, having already done a previous longer video on it going into a lot of details, I just wanted to make a quick easy video for this one for those that don't want to watch 7 or 8 minutes of stuff. With this, I'd say the big thing is that it's very easy to install, very easy to use. So if you've never used a dash camera before and you're like, oh gee, it's going to be so complicated to install that, and it's your first one especially, this is a good way to start right here with this one. Just super simple to use, and once you get it installed, it takes about 5 to 10 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. Once you have it up and running, it just goes and goes and goes, and you don't really have to worry about it too much from then on. So in this video, let's hit some of the highlights here on this dash camera. So first off here, we have a Sony Starvis sensor, which is good for nighttime vision to pick up those fine details, like license plate numbers and all that. It also films in quad HD, so that's not 4K, but it's pretty close to it, and you'll find that that's plenty good resolution pretty much to pick up any details out there. Also too, it's got an advanced parking mode, so you can get an optional hardwire kit and wire that into the vehicle if you so choose, where you need to monitor your car while it is parked. So that is an option as well. It's got a pretty wide view angle. It's very good at filming at night, I found. And also too, I'd say the big benefit with this is that it's very easy to set up. It has an optional GPS sensor which attaches to it that you can use or not use, totally up to you. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes or so to go through all the different menus, select what options that you want, and pretty much once you do that, you don't have to worry about it anymore. It's just a matter of plugging it into your vehicle, and away you go. You're also going to need an SD card, so I recommend VIOFO's SD card. You can order these right on Amazon. These are industrial kind of strength SD cards. So the good thing about them is they're designed to be recorded over and over on. And then the remaining setup is just basically taking the sticky pad, attaching it to your windshield, sliding the dash cam into place, tucking the wires up underneath the different panels, which you can use a trim tool to basically fit those up underneath if you don't want hanging wires or anything like that. And then pretty much just plug it into your cigarette lighter and you're good to go. And start driving around, enjoy life. And you can also check the screen whenever the vehicle turns on. You'll see a little record light come on, the screen will briefly come on, and you can see that it's recording. So you can always double check it to make sure it's going, but you really don't have to worry about it from then on. It just does its thing pretty much. So at the end of the day, folks, these are really good dash cameras. They're highly functional. And also too, they're just easy to set up, easy to get them going, easy to install. And so I think especially for those that are looking for their first dash cam, this is a good way to go with your first one. And then, you can move up from there with all sorts of different features and stuff beyond that. But this is a good starting camera. And also too, it's priced at an affordable price as well. So anyways, folks, definitely check it out. Check out some of the footage I have here of how good the video quality is. Keep in mind, some sites like Amazon, they compress it down to 1080p, but pretty much I was filming it at close to pretty much the quad HD, so just keep that in mind. But the video footage came out awesome and pretty much gets all the details that you need. So definitely check it out. Y'all have a good day.